Welcome to this short tutorial. Make sure you have updated HDRi Maker to version 3.0 118 or higher to have this feature that I will show. In previous versions of the Addon, the dome was always at the origin of the scene's axes and could not be moved. By default, it's still like this. You can rotate and scale it using the Scale Dome and Rotate Dome sliders. When activated, we can notice that the handler object will be immediately selected, which is the parent object of the dome. This makes it possible to move the dome freely in the scene. You can actually move the dome as you would with an object in Blender. When the dome is not in its default position, 4 buttons will come to the rescue to bring the dome back to its default position. Pressing tilt will make the dome horizontal again, if it has been tilted. Scale. Pressing the scale button will return the dome to its initial size. Pressing it will return the rotation on the z-axis to 0 degrees. Pressing the lock button will return the dome to the center of the scene's axes. As I mentioned before, the dome is manageable through the handler object. This object is native to Blender, and it is of type empty. You can change the appearance of the object directly from the HDRi Maker Dome menu. We can also change the size of the handler to make it easier to visualize. This will not change the size of the dome. Changing the shape and size of the dome handler improves control over it in some instances. Moving the dome via the handler is necessary because the dome components will be children of the handler. I want to show you an example. In this example, we have the dome in manual mode. I add a landscape object. I activate the wrap function on the object and hide it. I add another one and create a depression. Automatically, those wrapped objects will be children of the dome's handler, so they will move with it. Moreover, you can parent your objects to the dome handler if necessary. Once you've done this, your objects will move together with the dome. When you deactivate the manual mode, the dome will return to the origin of the scene's axes with the dome's initial properties.